Thank you so
Yes,
much.
and there's also an activity for younger people. I don't know if any of the kids are interested. So it's just spotting different animals and things in the artwork. What do you think? Would anyone you want to do that? Pencil, and it tells you what level. That's level 1, which will be just up here, and then we'll choose the one. So look for that on level 1. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and do you mind if I ask what your postcode is?
Yeah,
Oh.
3336. 3336.
3336.
Yeah, we came from Melbourne.
From Melbourne.
Yeah.
Okay, lovely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Oh, there's a coffee shop. Hi. Oh.ဒါကရှပ်ပတ်တက်မှာရှိတဲ့ art museum ဖြစ်ပါတယ်လို့ဝါfinish huh? What's that? Oh yeah, good.
So this is an established artist, son, father, brother, and friend to many. He will forever live in all of us and through his work. I hope that his art will continue to bring light and hope that this loving with their mental health and to inspire people to chase their dreams. As Josh would say, aim for the stars, not the street lights.
Wow.
See?
Aim for the star.
Everybody,
Aim is everywhere.
How about this part?
Shepparton Art Museum ဖြစ်ပါတယ်။အော်ကြည့်ပါဦးမဆွဲထားတာမိုင်းလိုက်တာ။
Okay. Let's go to the next level.
Next level? Okay.
So this is basically here.
အော် toilet လား
အေး
ဟောကွာမသိပါဘူးမအေးက next level အောင်မလို့လိုက်တာဩအဲ့လိုမအေးကိုမပြော